Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video with me, the Tinkering Dad. In this one I have these computer speakers. They are working, sort of. They get the power from a simple USB port. It's all there is. No USB data connection, just it takes power from this. And the audio input comes from a simple 3.5 millimeter audio plug. And the problem is that it is glitchy, and it is the power that is glitchy. And I have troubleshooted a bit to see what the problem might be. And it is this connection. Something in here, when you wiggle this, the power here turns on or off. I can see if I can demonstrate. Now the power is plugged in, and now it's off. This is on now, nothing happens. And if I wiggle the cable here, just that you can't see it right now, but it's plugged in, I just wiggle the cord just up until the USB port. So it's something in the connection. So what I'm going to do is simply, my plan is to simply cut off the cord here and replace this with a new USB port and connection. That's it. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, this is a short one, but it'll work. Okay, let's see if there's any shorts. Okay, looks good. So let's test it. It's a little slow starter, but I think it was that before. And if I jiggle the cord, nothing happens. So I guess that's a working fix. Good. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you and goodbye.